we have completed determinants, properties of determinant. Can you remember 7 properties we have seen? Anybody can name it 7 properties? Anybody? Anybody? One by one tell me. First property, any one property. Yes, beta, can you say property number 1? Just let us revise. Yes? Anyhow, let me. The property number 1, the value of determinant remains unchanged if rows and columns are interchanged. Now property number 2, if any 2 rows or columns are interchanged, then the value of determinant gets sign changed. Then property number 3, we have seen if any 2 rows or columns are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. If any row or any column is a multiple of k, then the value of determinant gets multiplied by k. Then next we have seen if any 2 rows or columns are proportional, then the value of determinant is 0. Then next one we have seen if a sum or all elements of a row or column is a sum of 2 or more elements, then the determinant can be expressed sum of 2 or more determinants. And the last property we have seen, if any row or any column, a unique multiple of another row or another column are added, then the value of determinant remains same. These properties we have seen, and when we have solved, we adopted 4 rules. Number 1, by adding, subtracting, if you are getting any row or any column, if you are getting any common element, we can take out, or otherwise multiply and divide by any row or any column, we are getting common element, we can take out. Then you should bring at least 2 0 inside the determinant, and then before open the determinant should be very simplified form so that we can open the determinant. That's we have seen in properties of determinant. Now let us see area of triangle. Now the topic is area of triangle. Area of triangle. Bida, already you have seen this topic in earlier class also. Now anyhow, let us revise. Let x1, y1, comma, that is a x1, y1, and b x2, y2, and then c x3, y3 are any 3 vertices of triangle. You also write down any 3 vertices of triangle, then we have formula, that is area of triangle equal to, in the determinant form, half into, that is determinant of x1, y1, because determinant is a square matrix, that's why we add here 1. Then another vertex is x2, y2, 1, and x3, y3, that is 1. Okay. Now see, listen, that is square units. This is area, so you should not forget to write square units here. Now I'm giving some note here. Note, area is always positive. So that's why we take its absolute value, that is modulus value. Area is always positive. Okay, positive. So suppose in case if you are getting negative value, then you should take modulus present positive answer only. Now number 1. Number 2, if area given, then if area of triangle, triangle is given, then you take it given, then take plus or minus to further proceed. Okay, take plus or minus area, whatever, suppose area is 35, maybe positive, maybe negative, so you have to take it plus or minus 35. Are you clear? Okay, fine, because area never comes negative. In case answer is negative, we present positive. So we don't know whether it is negative, positive. In case area given, then you should take it plus or minus. Clear? Now this is formula number 1. Now formula number 2, if A, B, C are collinear, these 3 triangle means like this. This is A, B, C. Suppose if A, B, C are collinear, in case are collinear, then collineer means what, beta? Now like this is A, this is B, and this is C. Like this. Beta, listen here, listen. A, B, C are collinear, then determinant area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Area of triangle is 0. That means lies on the same line. So automatically area becomes 0. Now next third formula, equation of AB means, now listen, This is A vertices AX1 Y1 and this is B vertices that is X2. Even we will use this formula in area of triangle. So AX1 Y1 and BX2 Y2. Now let us take one arbitrary point XY because we need equation, so that I am taking arbitrary point XY. Then equation of AB equal to, that is 3 points are collinear. Already we have seen if 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. So then this implies we will get it XY1. So we have arbitrary point XY1. Another vertices X1, Y1, 1 and then X2, Y2, 1 equal to 0 because A, P, B are collinear. Are you clear? So this we are going to see today exercise. Write down fast, better. Hurry up. Write down fast. So we have seen three formula, okay? Now number one, area of triangle using three vertices, using in determinant form how to present area of triangle. Now then area always positive. If area is given, then you should consider plus or minus to proceed the question. Then if ABC are collinear, then we have seen area of triangle equal to 0. Now equation of AB, if you want to find any equation of line, then we can use this collinear points formula. Clear to you? Better have you written? See, yes. Better now listen, take exercise 4.3. 4.3. Have you taken everybody? Just let me do one question, then we will start another one. Shall I raise better? Yes. Now, have you taken the exercise, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see the exercise. It is so simple, better, but maybe one more question, two more question maybe come. Now find the area of triangle with the vertices in the following. So which part? 1, 2, 3. Which part I have to do? I'm taking third part, better. Okay. Third part. Minus 2 comma minus 3 and then 3 comma 2 and then minus 1 comma minus 8. Three vertices are given. Now we have to find the area of triangle. Now area of triangle equal to, we have seen the formula half into x1, y1, 1 and x2, y2, 1 and then x3, y3, 1. Now if I use all the vertices here, we have minus 2, minus 3, 1 and then 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8, 1. Now if I open this, that is equal to half into, you know how to open this. So minus 2 into, that is delete corresponding row column. So 2 plus 8, very carefully you have to do calculation, minus minus plus 3 into delete corresponding row column, 3 plus 1 and then plus 1 into delete corresponding row column, minus 24 and then plus 2. So final answer we have, that is equal to, I'm writing here modulus, that is a half into, so we have 10 minus 20 and then 4 plus 12 and then 22 minus 22. Now I'm presenting in modulus value. So that is equal to half into, finally we have that is here minus 10, minus 32. So that is minus 32. So if I simplify this, I will get it 16. That is 16 positive I'm writing. I'm getting negative value, but I'm presenting positive. That is 16 square units. So you should not forget to write square units because it is the area. So remaining two question, two part you can do it. Now see question number 2. What they are saying, question number 2. First, third part I have done. Question number 2, show that the points are collinear. But a collinear, if ABC collinear, you can do it a homework. Let me explain. If ABC are collinear, then I told you formula. What formula I told you? But what formula? X1, Y1, 1, then X2, Y2, 1, then X3, Y3, 1 equal to 0. Okay. Here there are 3 points given. Just to let me explain, then do it a homework. That is A, then B plus C, 1. Then here B, C plus A, then 1. Then C and then A plus B and then 1 equal to, you have to prove 0. If you want to use properties of determinant, most welcome. That is up to your choice. Now listen, suppose if you are adding this C2 or C1, that is up to your choice. C1 can be written as C1 plus C2. If you are doing this, You will get it here, C1, A plus B plus C. Here is also A plus B plus C. Here is also A plus B plus C. Then C1 and C3 are proportional. Value of determinant, you will get 0. Are you clear what I'm saying? That means ABC collinear, you can use properties. What I told you, C1 can be written as do it C1 plus C2. So that you will get C1 and C3 are proportional so that you can prove it becomes 0. Okay, fine, beta. Can you do homework? Say yes, no. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see beta question number 4. Question number 4 and question number question number 3 and question number 5, one and the same thing. Okay, so let me take question number 5, one part I will take. That is only one part only. Question number 5 I am taking, then I will explain you question number 4. Area given, area of triangle equal to 35. I told you if area given, then you should take plus or minus 35. But a vertices given 2 comma minus 6 and then another vertices. Please mute yourself, better mute yourself. But you mute yourself. Now k comma 4, k comma 4. Find the value of k if 3 points are collinear. You know about it if 3 points are collinear. Better mute yourself. Now area of triangle, given area of triangle, we know formula, that is 2 minus 6, then 1, then 5, 4, 1, then k 4, 1 equal to what is given here plus or minus 35. Now the 2 goes to that side, so this implies if I open this 2 into multiplication of downward 4 minus 4 and then plus 6 into delete corresponding row 5 minus a k and then plus 1 into delete corresponding row in column, then we will get a 20 minus 4k, 20 minus 4k equal to, this 2 goes to that side, that is equal to plus or minus 70, plus or minus 70. Now this implies what I am getting finally, this is 0. Now this is 30 minus 6k and then here I am getting 20 minus 4k equal to plus or minus 70. Better shall I do here? Okay, now let me finish. Then this is a 50, this is 10k. So 50 minus 10k equal to plus or minus 70. If I take a plus value, so 50 minus 10k equal to 70. This implies 10k equal to 20, then k equal to 2. First value we are getting k equal to 2. If I take negative 50 minus 10k equal to minus 70, then 10k equal to 120, then k equal to, I will get it 12 here. So there are two values. This vertices area of triangle becomes 35, either k equal to 2 if you are keeping, or otherwise k equal to 12, then we will get area as this. Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear, beta? Beta, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down. Who's making noise, beta? Write down fast. Even, you know one thing, this complete course will be done through online class only. Be serious, everyone. Be serious, everyone. I think so far school it will not open. Lockdown will not free.
K is equal to minus 2 नहीं आएगा.
Where beta? Here this is 10k, yeah, k equal to minus 2. Of course 10k goes to that side. This is minus 20 we will get. Clear? Well done. Minus 20, so we will get it minus 2. Write down fast, hurry up, then let us begin another one. Now I'm doing question number, question number 3 is a homework, beta. Question number 3 is a homework. Both part you have to do. At the same time, do not forget to take plus or minus 4. Okay, area is plus or minus 4. Now question number 4, any one part let me take. Question number 4. Shall I raise? Shall I raise, beta? Done? Better say yes, no immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Shall I raise? Anyhow, whatever I'm giving homework, be serious, do the homework. That's I told you, complete course will be done through online only. Be serious, everyone. This is your career, your future. Be alert. Now see, I'm taking question number 4. For any one part, I will do it. I'm doing second part. First part, you have to do homework. Find the equation of line, question number 4. Second part, I'm taking. Find the equation of line joining the points. A point given here 3, 1 and B point given that is 9, 3 using determinants. Anyhow, so equation of AB already I told you. So we have to take one arbitrary point that is x, y. So equation of AB equal to what formula? The 3 points are collinear condition we are using here. X, y, 1. Without x, y there is no equation. That's why we write x, y. Then 3, 1, 1, then 9, 3, 1. Now if I open this bracket, that is equal to x into simple bracket equal to 0, that half goes to that side. So area of triangle is 0, half goes to that side, automatically 0. Now this implies if I open this 1 minus 3 minus y into 3 minus 9 plus 1 into 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Now that is minus 2x then plus 6y equal to 0. This implies x minus 3y equal to 0. This is equation of AB. Like this you have to do first part homework. Are you clear? So entire exercise we have seen just a simple formula, area of triangle, and then we have seen if 3 points are collinear, then what we have to do, and then we have seen if area given, then we should take plus or minus. And then finally we have seen equation of AB, how to find the equation of AB. Are you clear, beta? Are you clear? So can you complete this exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us take another topic, beta. Just let me explain clearly. Shall I raise? So yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next write, beta, minor, cofactor, adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Minor, cofactor, adjoint, inverse of a matrix. Inverse already we find using elementary operation. Now without elementary operation, how to find inverse of given matrix? Minor, cofactor, adjoint, inverse of a matrix. Now let me take example and plus definition I am giving. First I am taking one example question here, that is A matrix is equal to, A matrix definition I am writing here, example I am giving, A matrix is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 2, 3 and 1, 0, 5. Okay, fine. So now how to find minor, cofactor, adjoint, inverse of this matrix. First let me explain what is minor. What is minor of the matrix? Minor is denoted by Mij. Minor of the matrix is denoted by Mij. Now what is Mij? That is the minor of, suppose one element, if I minor of Aij is deleting corresponding ith row. I will give you example. I will take this question. Corresponding ith row and jth column, which Aij lies. That is called minor of the element, minor of the matrix. For example, if I find minor of this matrix, for example, that means minor of element Aij is deleting corresponding ith row and jth column which Aij lies. Means suppose if I want to find this minor of 1, okay, so that is denoted by M11. That is denoted by, that is first row, first column. I'm finding minor of first row, first column. Delete first row, first column. Then we have remaining minus 2, 3, 0, 5. You know how to find determinant value. Minus 10, minus 0. That is equal to, we will get it minus 2. Now suppose if I want to find M12. M12 that is equal to first row, second column. Delete first row and second column, that is 20 minus 3, that is equal to 17. If I want to find M13, delete first row, third column, that is 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2. Similarly, if I want to find M21, I'm finding each element minor. Okay, M21, second row, first column. So we will get it to 10 minus 0, that is equal to 10. Then that is M22, delete corresponding second row, second column, we will get it 5 minus 1 equal to 4. If I do any calculation mistake, immediately tell me. Then M23, delete second row, third column, then we will get it to 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Now similarly, I'm finding third column, third row for first element, this 3, 1, delete third row and first column. Now 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. Then M32, so that is equal to, that is third row, second column, that is a 3 minus 4. Beta 1 6-mark question definitely will come. This is basic knowledge of a 6-mark question, that is minus 1. Then M33, that is equal to third row, third column, we will get minus 2, minus 8, that is equal to minus 1. So we are getting here, that is a minor of the matrix, minor of Mij, minor of the matrix, we are getting minus 10, 17, 2, and then 10, and then 4, and then minus 2, and then 8, and then minus 1, then minus 10. Like this, we will get minor of the matrix. Clear? Now next, what is cofactor? Next, I told you cofactor of the matrix. It is denoted by Cij. So what formula is saying Cij equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into corresponding minor of the matrix. Cij equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij. I'm giving formula, proper formula now. Now next I'm finding, this is what I told you, minor of the matrix. Now next one we are finding cofactor of the matrix. What I told you, C11. Now I need C11 of this matrix. What formula I told you, minus 1 whole power, end shortcut method I will explain you. First listen here. Minus 1 whole power I plus j. I is 1, j is 1 into corresponding minor of the matrix. Corresponding minor of the matrix is minus 10. Then minus 1 ka whole square will becomes positive, positive into negative. We will get it thus. Now similarly C12. Now listen. Minus 1 whole power I plus j. You add it both. If it is odd number, we will get opposite sign. If it is even number, adding by these two, if you are getting even number, we will get the same sign. Once again, 1 plus 1. 2 even number, we will get the same sign. If you are adding these two, opposite sign. Now see, you will get here opposite sign. Kyunki 1 plus 2 the odd number, so opposite sign. This is MC13. This is 1 plus 3, 4, that is an odd even number, we will get same sign. Then next we need C21. This is odd number, we will get opposite sign, minus 10. Then C22, that is equal to, this is even number, so we will get the same sign. Then C23, that is equal to again odd number, we will get opposite sign, that is equal to positive 2. Then C31, that is even number, we will get the same sign, that is equal to 8. Then C32, again odd number, we will get opposite sign, that is equal to 1. Then C33, that is equal to, we will get this even number, we will get same sign. So minor of the matrix equal to the corresponding this minor matrix, that is cofactor matrix, what we are getting, minus 10, then minus 17, 2, then minus 10, 4, then 2, and then next 8, and then 1, and then minus 10. Like this cofactor matrix we find. Now final, next to what I told you, third one, adjoint. So what adjoint of the matrix is saying? Adjoint of A matrix, that is equal to Cij ka whole transpose. You have cofactor of the matrix, whole transpose. Now fourth one, I am finding adjoint of A, adjoint of, simply we write Aj. That is equal to Cij ka whole transpose. So if you take transpose this matrix, minus 10, 8, and then minus 17, 4, 1, then 2, 2, minus 10. Like this we find cofactor, adjoint of the matrix. Right now we have seen three. One is number one, minor of the matrix, how to find. I told you whatever element you need, minor of that element delete corresponding row, column, remaining elements, determine the remaining elements, then you will get it minor of the matrix. Then next we have seen cofactor of the matrix. It is denoted by Cij. So the formula is Cij equal to -1 whole power I plus j into Mij. Now I told you very simple way. Suppose if you need C11, then 1 plus 1, 2. If it is even number, then take it minor of the element the same sign. If it is an odd number, 1 plus 2, that is a 3. If it is an odd number, then minor of the element is take it opposite sign. That's I told you, and in that way we are finding here cofactor of the matrix. Then adjoint of the matrix equal to formula I told you, Cij whole transpose, that's equal to whole transpose. If I take like this, I will get it. Are you clear, better? Are you clear? Now we have another last one, inverse of a matrix. Write down fast. Write down fast. Clear or not? Say yes, no. Better, are you clear? Yes, write down. Write down. Then finally we will find inverse of a matrix. Write fast, better. Then one more example also I will take it. Have you written? Better, have you written? Yes. Yes, better. Now finally let me have you written, everybody? Finally,
No,
right this side. I'm write fast, write fast. Better write fast. Have you written, everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now listen, better. Next, another one. Listen, everybody. Inverse of a matrix. Another most important part I am coming here. That is formula is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of we have here. So 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, where determinant A not equal to 0. If it is 0, then we will get not defined. Okay, now first I am finding for finding this A inverse, first we should know about a determinant of A. I am finding determinant of A. So that is 1 into delete corresponding row column. That's I have written -10. 0 and -2 into delete corresponding second row. This first row second column, we will get 20 minus 3. Then you know how to find determinant of A. We are getting -10. Here is 17 minus 34 plus 2. So we will get it here -44 plus 2 minus 42. So is not equal to 0. If not equal to 0, then only A inverse exists. Otherwise A inverse does not exist, mind it. Therefore, A inverse equal to, that is equal to minus 1 upon 42 into adjoint of A, we have adjoint of A, that is equal to minus 1 upon 42 into, no need to open the bracket, minus 10, 8, and then minus 17, 4, 1, then 2, 2, minus 10. Like this, we have to find minor, cofactor, adjoint, and the inverse of a matrix. Are you clear, beta? Are you clear, everyone? Say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down fast, hurry up.
जैसा कोई डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं है उसके लिए पहले माइनर फिर कोफैक्टर फिर वो सब निकालना पड़ेगा
हाँ बेटा, हाँ, of course. See, suppose if they say using elementary operation, then you should go for elementary operation. If they did not say elementary operation word, then you should go for this method. This is very easiest one. For this, you have to find minor, cofactor, adjoint, then inverse. When you are coming to inverse, that determinant A not equal to 0. Otherwise, A inverse does not exist. So once again, if you say what elementary operation, then you should go for that one. Otherwise, no need. Are you clear? Have you written better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Better just, I think time is running. Let me take one more example. Okay, 1 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Both I will take it. If you have time, it's okay. Otherwise, let us see. Tomorrow we will see the exercise. We have completed one exercise. Now, anyhow, just an example, one more 3 by 3 matrix I am taking. Tomorrow I will take that one, 5, 1, 2, 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Now you also find A inverse. You also start do, time is running. I don't know time is up or not. Now A inverse. Better first, if you want to find A inverse, first you should decide about the determinant A. 5 into, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 4, and then plus 2 into 4 plus 12. Now we will get it, that is equal to minus 5, minus 25, and then plus 2, and then this is 16 plus 32. So 34 minus 25, I think 9 beta, 9 not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Now see how I am finding minor cofactor, M11, M12, M13, then M21, M22, then M23, then M31, then M32, then we need M33. Like this you have to write M11, delete corresponding row column, we will get it here, minus 3, minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Now 1, 2, that is 2 minus 4, you will get minus 2. Now 1, 3, that is a 4 plus 12, that is equal to 16. Then 2 over 1, 1 minus 4, we will get it minus 3. Then 2 or 2, 5 minus 8, that is equal to minus 3. Then 2 or 3, 10 minus 4. I should not do any calculation mistake, you have to check it. 3 or 1, 1 plus 6, we will get it 7. Then 3, 2, that is a 5, 3, and then 2, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. Then 3, 3, minus 15, then minus 2, that is equal to minus 17. Now I am finding corresponding cofactor C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, then C31, C32, then C33. Now beta see what I told you, this if it is odd, say even number, same sign. Odd number, then opposite sign, even number, same sign, odd number, opposite sign, then even number, same sign, that is odd number, opposite sign, then even number, same sign, that is 7, odd number, opposite sign, that is minus 1, even number, same sign, that is minus 17. Now we need adjoint of A. Directly I am finding adjoint of A without finding cofactor minor. Now whatever adjoint A equal to transpose of cofactor. Because write down in column wise. Whatever you have written or write down in column wise, you will get directly transpose of the matrix. Sorry, minus 5, 2, then 16, 3, minus 3, minus 6, 7, minus 1, minus 17. Then A inverse equal to what formula we have seen? 1 by determinant A into what I told you adjoint. Directly write down column wise. You will get direct transpose. So A inverse equal to 1 upon 9 into adjoint of A minus 5, 3, 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 16 minus 6 minus 7. Like this we will find inverse of a matrix. Are you clear with everybody? Are you clear? Say yes, no, better. Yes, write down fast, time is up. Okay, so we will see briefly this regarding this exercise, we will see tomorrow. Okay, so but you revise properly. Everybody stay update in your subject. I told you syllabus will be complete through online only this year. So I think so. This year school will not open for students. So be careful, better. Be careful, everyone. Noted? Noted, better? So thank you, everyone.